Alright guys, so this is my '06 MazdaSpeed6, and ever since I bought this car, having a phone mount, has been sort of challenging because there's really no good areas in this car, well, that are obvious at least to put a phone mount. I really don't like to put anything on these air vent clips because they're oftentimes flimsy and they break. This CD mount, sometimes there's a CD mount thing, and sometimes there's it scratches up the actual this part where you insert the CD. Down here is too low, it's too distracting for driving. I suppose you can have one here or off of the A-pillar, but it just looks kind of unsightly. So I wanted to do something to keep the vehicle sort of stock looking and also have a phone mount. And I came across this product on Amazon. I'm not sponsored. I'm not being sponsored for this product. I could put a link in the description, but it's designed in California and made in China. And I got it on sale. So when you open up this product, you get the actual mount, and it's a magnetic mount. And there's a 3M sticker. And then inside you have more stickers and magnet adapter sizes. So you have like a circular one. You have more in case you need to replace this. There's a little user manual inside there. So what I think would be a good idea is using this. So you can open this, and I actually have these two wires because I had this little boost gauge, which I'm no longer using. But so just ignore these wires for now is what I'm saying, because your car probably won't have them, or I guess if it does, you can push them back like so. Maybe put a zip tie around them so they don't get lost back there. And then you can take this, and there's this little felt carpet, and you can take this out, and right here you can take this and you can stick it like that, and you can rotate this like so, and now you can put your phone right there, horizontally, and it's in your line of vision. You're not you're not taking your eyes off the road. It's straight ahead. And the best part is when you don't want to use it, you can close it. So it comes up, and this little cover, it has two settings. So there's the low setting, and then there's the high. So you can keep it on the low setting if you don't if you want to take up more room. But it's really not it's not obscuring any cars in front of me or anything. So it's right there, and it's just something that I thought would be a good idea. And if you really want to keep this felt, you could probably, once you stick it on there, probably trim, grab a pair of scissors, trim right around that base, right, and you could slide that back in. So that is something. I suppose you can put it here, and I was thinking about putting it on the back side. So instead of on the base here, it's going to put it back there. But this surface is curved; it's not flat. So I'm a little skeptical of putting it there, because it's probably going to not seat properly, and then it's going to fall off. And it also puts more stress on this mount, because it's from here as opposed to being kind of on the base. So it sort of counteracts that force of it falling down. So just a video on a suggestion I had, and yeah, thanks for watching. So this is the mount. So I used the sticky side and measured it up. I put it right there, and then on this felt liner I cut out that little section with some scissors, so it slides in right over. And if you ignore the boost wires that I have, then I could take my phone, and if it's like that, I could still close it.